Okay, so I just got my pop-on veneers. Excuse my disheveled hair. I just got back from camping. But anyway, my pop-on veneers came and I'm very happy with them. I just wanted to show you what my teeth look like before. Ooh. So they have a bridge right here, and I have a space right here, here, and here, because when I had braces when I was younger, they made those spaces so eventually my parents or me could get some implants done. And you know, implants are very expensive, and now I got my braces off when I was 18 and now I'm 35 and I still have not been able to get those done. And now I have 4 kids, so it's just not happening anytime soon. So I got these and I really enjoy them. So that's what they look like before. And I smile really big naturally, so I was concerned about, you know, if they would go right up to my gun line, since when I smile you can see my gun line. I don't like smile like really small like that. So anyway, I'll put the bottoms in first because you can hear those snap in really nice. See? Snap. And of course I have a little bit of a lisp because I just got them, like literally I just tried them on like an hour ago. So those are the bottoms. Look at how nice that looks. And then the difference between the whiteness, God, I didn't realize that my teeth were so yellow, but that's the difference between the colors. Hold on. Okay, and here's the top. So I think they're more noticeable on top than they are when you just have the bottoms in. But, and like I said, I smile like really big, like naturally, so I was concerned that it wasn't gonna go like right up to the top, but I think it looks pretty good. And I got really emotional when I showed my husband because I wanted to show him before I looked in the mirror and saw them myself, and he said that I was gonna love them. And I haven't had teeth for so long, so it definitely makes me happy, and I really like them. So there we go. I was gonna say, here's my new smile. I'm gonna try to not smile as big as I normally do, like this, but I'll just smile like this. What do you think?